This is Amanda with Amanda's Papa Joel's Boutique. Have you ever struggled to clasp a bracelet all by yourself? Well, let me show you today exactly what to do to make it so much simpler and only take a few seconds. All you need is Scotch tape and your clasp bracelet. So you just get a piece of tape. You get the extender part of your clasp bracelet, and we're going to tape it to the wrist. So you just put the tape. It won't actually stick to the jewelry that well, so make sure you've got enough tape on both sides to secure it to your wrist. So make sure it's secure there and there. Then you are going to get the clasp part in your fingers. Pull it open like so, and then just clasp it where you want it. Let go of it, and then remove the tape, and there you go. Now you have put on a clasp bracelet all by yourself in just seconds. If you found this of value, please like and share the video, and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see more tips and tricks, let me know what you would like to learn about next, and I will keep making videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.